Okay, so the video that you're about to watch is a video that was done before the nail room was done, and it was before it was my old camera setup on how the lighting was and all that, so I don't know how great it's going to be, just FYI. But one of the main reasons that I'm getting this one up as soon as possible is because the store that I have gotten these plates from has we may be working together more than just having plates sent to me, but we will see. I just have to get a video up so that I can send it to them. So if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you like to see more. Also, if you would like to know when I put out videos, it's better to hit the notification bell. And if you really like my channel, then subscribe. I'm not trying to force anybody, or push you. I'm just really trying to grow my channel now. And in these days, you want to try to make some, if I can get invested into it, I know it won't be that much, but hey, it could be something. And anything is good at this point. So what we're about to watch will be this is from Aliexpress, and I have been getting plates from this store for about 3 or so years. I have watched how they have grown, how they have took in suggestions, and how they have made their products better in presentation. And they don't have to do that. They could just be generically or whatever. So I want to give them the credit where credit is due. So that's why I am hoping that you guys will see this is more the newer version of it, and you will see hauls where they were not as their presentation wasn't as good as it is now. I mean, these are just amazing. I was so thrown when I saw this. I think they changed, I want to say last year sometime. But anyway, I don't want to drive everybody crazy, so I'll have their information down below in the description box. And let's get started with a stamping video. Now that we have the camera turned around, I am going to be doing, showing you the plates that I got from XMQ. Okay, so now that I've got the camera turned around, and I'm going to show you the plates that I got from the XMQ store in the Aliexpress. So here's one of them, if you want to see them this way. But so what I got was 3, I think there's 3 more coming, but these are the smaller ones, and they are the Zjoy. I call them Zjoy. Some people call them 2Joy. I'm not sure which one it really is. I should maybe asked. And these are the plus, and these are the larger plates. These are the newest ones. The store sent me. The ones that I will have in some of my hauls to come up will be not as really neat plate covers. They put these new backings on them, and they're just beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? So it says the name of it, and then it has that it's a plate. The cool thing about it is you don't have to, like, there used to be them white ones, and I think like this, they were like, the backings was like this, as you can see. Like this is kind of neat because they're flush. So, all right, we just need to get all of these undone, if I can. So we will get these out. These were really nice and packed well, but they're already out of the packaging. I just thought I would just go ahead and, you know, oops, sorry. But the store is XMQ store, and I will have the information down below in the box, description box down below. This is kind of matty. It's really nice feeling. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get these done, unwrapped, and then we'll be back and show you the plates. We have this one, and it is Zjoy plus 215, and it has lots and lots of different stars. So this would be a really good plate for like 4th of July, Memorial Day. These are a lot of different stars, so it's really, really neat. But it looks like it has a couple of Christmas trees here too. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, and the plates, the backings, I mean, so nice. I don't know if they're gonna stay that way. Are they gonna change with the seasons? I have no idea, but the new backings are just amazing. And I got these Zjoy Plus ones when I first started doing this, because I were on Amazon, and they really came a long way. So now they're doing a lot of layering too. So here is 216, and if you have watched any of my videos, if these are returning people that have seen my videos, you would know that I really, 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 really like abstract, like the creativity of it, I feel. So this has got a lot of, like, looks like bubbles type things here, a lot of waves, just a different textures or so too. So that's what this one is. And then we have these smaller plates. We got 388, and this is some really nice ones that has like the flowers with the design, like the flowers attached to the design, instead of, like, you know, doing a design and then doing a flower. This is one of them plates that's got it all there, which is really neat too. This is 398. So this is a lot of different designs that you can do more of a, you could do French manicure with these right here. That would work really well. Okay, I'm back. So let's get started on the stamping. This is the plate 216, Zjoy Plus. And this is from the XMQ, and all of the information is down below. This is the pearl green Shemodern, and oh, like I said, all my discount codes and affiliate codes are down below in the description box. If there is something that I'm using in my videos, please, please let me know if you don't see, because I can definitely see if I can find something, but a lot of it might not be around and available. Let's go ahead and I want to make sure that my plate is nice and clean. So just, okay. So that's the green that I'm doing. And the stamper that I'm using is the Clear Jelly. It's the pink bling. It's like the dual one. But I don't know if they have this one exactly anymore, but Clear Jelly does have a lot more other ones. So you can definitely find some that's like that. I just don't know if they have the pink one anymore. So, wait.
can see it. There it is. Okay. I like it. That's nice. Very nice green. Okay, so now before everything is done, we need to do a top coat. And this is the smudge-free top coat. It's B382, and again, I am an ambassador for Maniology, and you will see a lot of their stuff on here. And so this is their smudge-free, so we can, you know, make sure I don't mess up all the work that I did, and then you can put on whatever top coat you want after that, after this dries. So I'm just gonna, and I try to float it just because I know that it can still maybe, but it, I mean, it does a really good job. Design from messing up. And then I just let that dry, and then I will put on a final top coat. Mine will be gel. I'm gonna do Beetles top gel coat for the final coat to protect my nails once these dry. Thank you so much for you guys for taking the time to watch my channel, and hopefully everybody's doing well. This is SpacyTracyNails signing off.